Hi, Marcus here. And have you tried to implement something in your affiliate marketing journey and think you are doing everything right, but just for some reason, you're just not seeing results quite yet? So, this is probably the reason, and I got you covered in today's video. I always release videos on tips and tricks to build a successful affiliate marketing business on my channel, so considering subscribing. And if you want to learn how you can build a scalable business online, I would like to invite you to take a look at the 100% free affiliate marketing bootcamp revealing the 6-figure blueprint. The link is in the description box below. Anyway, stick around and we will dive into something super important, because this is where things tend to start to fall apart for inexperienced affiliate marketers. See you in a bit. So marketing is all about sending the right message to the right people about an excellent product at the right time. So if we don't have the right messaging, we are going to be in trouble. And that's what this is all about. Congruence in your copy and messaging throughout your affiliate campaign. So people will find you and then they will buy from you. And as I already said, this is kind of where it falls apart for most affiliate marketers. And this is also why it is so important to actually purchase the product that you are promoting as an affiliate. And I just cannot stress this enough. Whatever you decide to promote, it is so beneficial to you to actually purchase it, because you are going to understand what's going on inside the program. And you might be able to kind of, take your unique spin on it and produce some copy and messaging that is not only in line with the end product, but also in line with your authentic self. And when that happens, that's when the magical things will happen. So, the congruency in the copy and marketing message in the affiliate marketing campaign is where most people screw up. It is just so important for congruency to be there for the success in affiliate marketing. So basically, we have 3 phases in any marketing campaign. We have the attraction and introduction phase, where this is where we get in front of our ideal customer. This can be with ads or content, and we are kind of like introduce them to the idea of whatever the end product is going to be. And then we have the conversion sequence in the second phase, and finally we have the sales phase as the third phase. So those are the 3 kinds of components of a marketing campaign. So let's talk about the first phase. The first phase of the attraction and introduction can be on social media, and it can be done with ads or organic traffic, or it can be done on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and that's basically how we get potential customers interested in us and what we have to offer. Then we come to the second phase of our conversion sequence. Conversion sequence could be our bridge page where we introduce people to the offer, and it can be an email follow-up sequence that we send to them. Or this could be as simple as us going into our own Facebook group that we created and doing a live stream, something like that. So once we brought people into our business, we control that traffic. So for the first 2 phases, they are within our control, and we can pretty much put in any kind of messaging we want within them. But the last phase, the sales phase, is handled by our affiliate partner. So we can't really change the messaging content for this phase. But isn't this a great thing about affiliate marketing? As our affiliate partner is really the one in charge of selling the things, maybe through a video sales ladder, a webinar, or could be a high-ticket closing team where they might have actual human, who would close the sales for us. Now, the important thing for all this to work is we need to take people on a journey from the attraction phase all the way to conversion and the sales phase. Alright, we have to take them from left to right across this board, and that's why we have to have congruency across the whole system. This is super important because confused buyer doesn't buy. So if we're hitting them with different messaging across the introduction phase into the conversion sequence, and none of that lines up with the video sales ladder, we are not going to make the sales. Okay, again, a confused buyer doesn't buy. Can't stress this enough. So we need to start with the end in mind, because in affiliate marketing, we are promoting somebody else's product. So we can't really change the sales process, but the good news is we don't have to worry about the sales process, right? We let our affiliate partner handle that. But on the other hand, we are pretty much stuck with whatever their video sales letter is, or their webinar, or whatever their high ticket closing team is saying. Now, if you partner with a good program, they will constantly testing it, and you can be sure that they always have the best sales processes in place, and that's a good thing, right? But we want to have that, end in mind, so that we are able to have congruency in our copy and messaging in the first and second phases, the phases that we control. So what I might do is, I am into a program called Invincible Marketer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I will go through the content in the program. So I'm going to look for clues and starting looking for messaging as I need to use them as an end product, and sprinkle those clues throughout the campaign that I can control. Alright, so there will be congruency, right? I can change the content I create, I can change the email that I send, but I cannot change the video sales letter of the affiliate partner that I'm working with. So we got to start with the end of mind. So once again, if I'm promoting Invincible Marketer, the first thing I might do is I will go to the homepage and look for messaging tips and clues. So what I'm seeing here is the first one, the headline. Okay, it says how to get 171 new customers in 29 days for affiliate business using the sell without selling method. Okay, so that obviously going to be something important in the messaging, right? And then further down, let's check out the video. Okay, let's check out the video and then just see what type of clues or messages that we can use. Okay, then further down, right, some breakdowns about the program, the core training, mindset sessions, private community, and then another important one, just $7 to test drive the program. Okay, so basically this is how we find the clue, okay, in the end product and implement it into our first and second phases in our marketing campaign. Okay, so yeah, I think you got the meaning here, right? Once again, this will work for anything that you are promoting. You can go through their website, you can look at their products, you can go through their sales copy or video sales letter and pick up some clues. So I took those clues, and then those will be my key messages from the end, and then I can use those messages in my attraction and introduction phase, which is going to be like social media, and in my conversion sequence, which is my bridge page, email sequences, and the content inside my Facebook group or whatever. Also, with those clues, I can start getting ideas about the type of content I can create that matches the end result. Hopefully that makes sense, and I definitely think it does. So basically, your copy and messaging are the bottom line of your affiliate marketing business. If you have the nuts and bolts in place, your website is set up, your email follow-up sequence is running, you are creating content consistently and showing up every day, but somehow things are not working out as expected. Most likely, it has something to do with your messaging, or it could be your copy. But if you don't have anything yet, what we are trying to do here in the Invincible Marketer program is to help clarify, simplify, and just help to really turn those light bulbs on, just to line up the ducks in the row and get the puzzle pieces to fit together. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and got some value out of it. And if you do, I also would appreciate some thumbs up. And please let me know your thought by commenting below as well. And if you love what I spoke about and want to get a taste of what Invincible Marketer is all about, feel free to join our Invincible Bootcamp. It's free and the link is right below in the description box. Alright? So guys, that's all for today, and I will see you again in the next one. Cheers.